So after they found out this, how to write these numbers, some guy came up with another idea. He was like, um, what I understand from this apple thing is that if I have two apples, it is so he was also writing it, right? Because the guy was smart, he knew how to write it. So he was like, if I have two apples, it is better than having one apple, right? Because I can eat more. Two is better than one. So they came up with the sign for better than. Okay. With the same logic, another guy said that, well, two might be better than one, but it is worse than three. So they came up with the sign worse than. Okay. And another guy was that you have two apples, I have two apples, they are same. They came up with a sign for same. Perfect. Nice. So they learned how to go the signs with comparison. We call it comparison signs, right? So, and another guy came up with that. I don't know how many apples you have. I don't know how many. I am not sure. In mathematics, if we are not sure about it, the guy was that, okay, how am I gonna sign the number for I am not sure for it? And the other guy was like, what the hell? You don't know, man? In mathematics, if you don't know something, just call it X because we don't know it. And the other guy was like, okay, but I'm not sure for two things, two different things. And first thing I call it X. What should I call the second one? And the other guy was like, why are you bothered with that? And the guy was like, what did you say? And he was like, why are you bothered? Why are you bothered? Why are you bothered? So they decided to call it why are you bothered? Okay. The same guy, second guy was why. Okay. So they don't know how many apples Adam have and how many apples Eve has. Okay. So they don't know the number of apples in Adam. So that's why they call it X because they don't know what is it. And they don't know how many apples does Eve have. So they call it Y because why the hell Eve has any apple? That's all the problem we are having right now because Eve had some apples. So they don't know how much they have, but they know that probably number of apples in Adam is more than Eve's, but maybe they are equal. So this is the sign for probably it's more than that, but maybe it's equal. Okay. Or probably less than that, but maybe it's equal. So that's the sign for that. Okay. Very good signs. Bye bye. This was the class for science.